Yeah, Bhavya.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Sudarshan, good morning. Any doubt last session?
No, sir.
Practice done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Bhavya?
Sir, not practice, sir. I'll practice today.
Okay, practice. Okay. Hmm. I'll start with a new topic. Okay, new topic. Like we have mandatory field, is there? Mandatory field. I think you have seen already mandatory field. Like let me show that once again. Mandatory field. Okay, how to maintain. Like I think Manjunath is not joined. This concept name you can call how to maintain screen fields like screen mandatory fields or optional fields or hide hide or and not or and optional fields and hide and display fields. Okay, display fields. Okay, these are all the options. Okay, I am going to explain now. Okay, these are the options. One by one. Okay. Manju is not joined. Yeah, Manju. Practice the and doubt is there?
Yes, sir, I'm good.
Okay. Okay, now this is very simple concept only, but some technical part is included in this. Okay, concept is very simple. If you understand one field, then everything is same as it is for the total fields. So one field, if you understand, the remaining all project is same as it is master data. I will explain one field with a clear picture. Okay, after that I will give the scenarios for your practice. Okay, one or two fields I'll show it, then you can understand. Let's see. You have seen already MM01. Let me show. You have seen already MM01. Let's observe now. MM01. Some industry sector. Some LGR. LGR. GRH. Then our plant name LGBN. Okay, here let's see. Here material group is here na. Like here material group. That material group is okay, tick mark. Okay, material group is tick mark. Okay, it's the same way. I need a division should be tick mark. I need division should be tick mark. How to maintain division tick mark? Okay, how to maintain division tick mark? Okay, understood this point? How to maintain tick mark for division? I'll repeat you. Here material group is tick mark is there. The same way division should be tick mark. The same way division should be tick mark. How to maintain? That is the first example. Example one is division is mandatory. Write down that point. Division is mandatory. Example one. Two examples I'll show. First, Then another two examples I'll show next. Division is mandatory and lab office is hide. Okay, hide. Okay, lab office is hide. Two concepts will work out. If you want to maintain division is mandatory, first you have to identify the field name. You have to identify the field name. To identify the field name, first select the division. Select the division. Okay, select the division. Click on F1. Click on F1. Here F1 is nothing but a documentation. F1 is nothing but a documentation. Okay, F1 is documentation. Under F1, we have an option, technical information. Okay, technical information. Okay, click on technical information. You will get here a screen field. Okay, this is a screen field. Okay, this is the screen field. Write down that field name. This is first field. This is first field. The same way, understood everyone, Bhavya, Sudarshan, Manjunath?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same way, you have to identify the second field also. How to identify? Press F1. Press F1. Okay, press F1. Okay, press F1. Click on technical information. Okay, click on technical information. Okay, click on technical information. Okay, click on technical information. You just write down the second screen field name. Okay, second screen field name. Second screen field name. Two fields I told you. Okay, later I will give you another two scenarios. Okay, first we will understand this concept, then easy for you. One field I am hiding, one field I am maintaining tick mark. How to do it? This is the concept. Okay, this is the concept. First, understood the scenario? First, what is business scenario? Understood everyone? Means here tick mark I need, here that field only I am removing, that field only, but I'll restore once again. First see that one, okay, first. That is the business scenario. To do that one, SPRO. Okay, SPRO. Okay, SPRO is the transaction code to configure. Okay, to configure. SAP reference IMG. Okay, SAP reference IMG. Under IMG, we have Logistic General. Under Logistic General, Material Master. Under Logistic General, Material Master. Under Material Master, Field Selection. That is only field selection only I am doing now. Okay, field selection. Under field selection, maintain field selection for data screens. Okay, maintain field selection for data screens. Execute. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Here we have the field selection groups. Here we have field selection groups. Okay, there are so many fields we have. Browse here. Okay, browse. Browse means F4. F4 field selection group. You have to. I had given already two field names. I had given browse. What is the first field name? MARA hyphen division name. Anybody written? Division name. Anybody written? Something SPART. Yeah. You have tried that field names also. SPART. Understood this point, Bhavya? Sudarshan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have tried the field names. Okay, compulsory. What I am doing here? I have to enter here Mara hyphen SPART. Enter. See here now which field name that is? Mara hyphen SPART. This is a division field. Enter. Click enter. Division has come. Division has come. Correct, huh? This division field has come. Now, what exactly your work? You have to maintain the division field is okay. The division field is mandatory. Here we have to identify the field reference. Here you have to identify the field reference. Okay, field reference. Go to position. Okay, go to position. ROH is our field reference name. Go to position. ROH is our field reference name. Here you have to maintain here required entry. ROH and required entry. Okay, ROH and required entry. In water, thankful item. Okay, required entry. Save. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Okay, now this field is hidden. One field is hidden. The same procedure. Browse, find option. Second field name is labor. LABOR. Means labor means labor like laboratory field, lab field. You have to identify the lab field. Enter. Okay, enter. Okay, enter. This lab field should be hide option. ROH hide. Click on save. Two examples I worked. Display optional. I will explain next. Save it. Any doubt up to this point?
So what is ROH?
What is ROH means we maintained. Okay, we maintained in field reference point under OMS2. Do you remember? Under OMS2 means material type. Sorry. OMS2. We maintained our raw material name is LGRH something. Select here, double click here. Here we have the ROH field reference. This is only that field reference. See now? Same name only you have to use here. Whatever the field reference is, field reference means fields information. Okay, field reference means field information. Okay, field information. Understood this point? Bhavya?
ROH is automatically reflected.
ROH is the default for this material type. Means if you are using for the finished material, then that is FERT. Like that, it will change.
Okay.
According to material type, it will change. That one you have to check. which material type you are using, that material type, how to maintain. Understood?
Yes.
While creating only, that's okay. This point is important. While creation of material type only, you have to check, is it ROH is there, is it FERT is there. Most of the material types are FERT, ROH only. That one you have to observe. That's it.
Okay.
Then I maintained here, I saved here. Now let me test once again. I'll close this pointer. I'll close this pointer /n. I'm retesting MM01. Enter the industry sector and material type. Enter. 6 views. Organization levels. LGBN. See the difference now? Anybody observed here division tick marker? Before there was no tick marker. Correct? Everyone? Bhavya, Manjunath, Sudarshan. Understood this point? Here one more field, lab field is hidden. Hidden means removed.
Yes.
Okay, both fields are activated now. Now I have to restore the field, which one, whatever the lab field, then I have to maintain the optional field for this one. Both are optional. This particular valid from something, some other field we have to maintain. Otherwise, I'll maintain division as a display button. Then you will see the differences. Another two examples I am explaining. This is example is completed. Which one? Mandatory and hide is completed. Now I am going to explain optional and display. I am going to explain. Okay, optional and display button. Okay, optional and display. Okay, then go to same fields only. Same two fields. Up to maintain field selection for data screens is same as above. Recording. Up to maintain field selection for data screens is same as above. Click on, okay, execute. Click on execute. Then, okay, browse. Then browse. Find option. SPART. SPART. Then field has come. Then go to position. Okay, go to position. ROH. Go to position. ROH. Instead of required entry, now I am going to maintain display option first one. Later I will explain once again optional. First we will see the display, what will happen. First field is display, division field is display. Save. Next, second field. Okay, browse. Okay, browse. Okay, browse. LABOR. LABOR. Double click. Enter. That field is hidden. Now I am going to make it as, I am going to select as optional entry. I am going to select as optional entry. Okay, optional entry, OPT entry, save it. Okay, save it. Now I maintain two fields as one field is optional, one field is display. Then we'll see the output once again. Save. Okay, save. Okay, save. Minimize. Minimize. Then testing. This is like testing because is it working or not? We have to test. Testing. How to test? MM01. MM01. Okay, MM01. Create material. Enter industry sector and material type. Okay, enter industry sector and material type. Enter. Enter button. Enter button. See the difference here. Division field is. See the difference here. Division field. Division field. And see the lab office, it is restored. Okay, restored. This is the way, okay, we'll work the any field, not only this field, any field we can work out. Understood this point, Sudarshan?
Yes, sir.
Bhavya?
Yes, sir.
Manjunath?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll repeat your division field once again. This field is hidden actually. Hidden, sorry, not hidden. Display field. Display means user cannot enter, but there's no use like this. Okay, there's no use. Then which scenario you can use here? This is display, but this is not display. Display means only some fields will be display mode. Okay, in all fields we never maintain display mode. In real time, most of the points, okay, in real time, most of the concepts which we will work with either mandatory, either suppress or hide. Okay, either suppress. Okay, that point only you have to remember. Other optional, most of the times we will maintain optional field. Okay, most of the maintain the optional field. Now this division is already hide display mode. I'm going to restore it. Okay, write down restoring the division. Okay, restoring division. How to do it? Same as above. Same as above step. That is the division field actually. Division means 90 symbol. Otherwise, you can enter directly SPRT. Okay, you can enter SPRT. Then ROH is here. Display mode is here. We have seen already hide. I seen required entry. I seen optional also. But right now it is display mode is there. We have to select here optional entry. Okay, I have to select here optional entry. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Now MM01 testing. Enter the industry sector, material type. Okay, enter the LGBN. Continue. See this one. Division as restored. Lab office also restored. Okay, division is restored and lab office also restored. Both are restored. Okay, this process we are calling, okay, maintaining this particular field information. Okay, field information. Now I am giving scenarios for you, some scenarios. Okay, you can work on that particular scenarios. Like example here. Okay, sorry. Okay, maintain here. Material external material group is mandatory. Write down first field. You have to work out scenarios. I am giving some scenarios for practical scenarios. How to maintain example 1. This is example 1. How to maintain mandatory external material group. How to maintain external material group. Okay, that is the first field. Tell me anybody how to do it. Procedure.
We have to select that field.
You have to select the field. Next,
So we have to press F1.
F1 you have to press.
F4.
F1.
Then go for technical
F1.
assistant.
Then this is the symbol. Okay,
Yeah,
technical information. Technical information. Then you got the idea. This one screen field.
Yes, sir.
Then after getting the screen field, then you have to go to backend. You have to go to backend. Backend means SPRO with navigation. Okay, up to this is same navigation up to this point. You have to execute it. You have to identify the field name. Then you have to select the field reference. And
ROH.
mandatory means required entry.
Required entry.
Like that. This is one field. Like that, I am giving 3-4 scenarios. I am giving. You try to practice that complete. Okay, complete the with field with different tabs.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
let me create the another tab. Okay, this is iron. Okay, first tab is completed. Okay, first tab I am not giving more. Second tab, basic material is mandatory. Second tab, basic material is tab. Okay, mandatory. Here also same. Press F1. Technical information. Field name is different. That's it. Okay, field name is different. Even fields also I am giving. Even fields also I am giving. Okay. Next, second tab is basic material is mandatory. This is a second example. Okay, second example. Okay, example 2. Okay, example 2. Basic material is mandatory. Okay, basic material is mandatory. Okay, next. All are mandatory only. I am giving. Why means because those concepts only will work in real time. Same way, purchasing group is already mandatory. Is remove the mandatory here. Okay, this is a different step. Already there, you just remove it. How to remove the purchasing group is mandatory. How to make it optional. This is example 3. Example 3. To make which field that is purchase group na purchase group is mandatory. Okay, purchase group is mandatory. So this is the, for this also you have to identify the press F1. Okay, press F1. Click on technical information. So this is a field name. Okay, this is a field name. EKG RP. Okay, EKG RP. Okay, this is the third field. Okay, third field. Next, but right now, next temperature conditions is okay. Temperature conditions is not mandatory. These are all optional. Valuation class should be mandatory. Okay, this you have to maintain compulsory. That is a very, very important point. Okay, valuation class. This is a fourth example. 4 examples I am giving. Okay. Says not how to make a purchase group is not mandatory. Purchase group is not mandatory. Purchase group is optional. You can write down better. Optional. If it is already optional, is there? You can make it. Okay, first make it mandatory, then you can make it optional. Both can work. Mandatory. Example 4. Example 4, which one I told you? Valuation class. The valuation class compulsory, that is mandatory only. Okay, valuation class is mandatory. How to maintain valuation class is mandatory. These are all the main key examples under screen fields. Maintain mandatory, maintain optional. Okay, maintain optional. This is about this one. Everyone understood this point? Any doubt here? Any doubt here? Then I'll maintain here 3000. That is V. Okay, 110 rupees or 100 rupees. Save. Okay, save. Now, one more material is created. Okay, one more material is created. Okay, one more material is created. Any doubt? Next. Okay, we have only transaction code list we have. Let me cover today only the transaction codes also. If anybody is having any doubt, no issue. I'll repeat you that same point. Okay, if we don't have the doubts, then I'll start with a new topic. T code list we have to cover. Material master data I have to cover remaining. T codes, there are so many T codes are there, MM02, MM03, 4, 6. Okay, this all I have to cover one by one. It's clear? Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, Manjunath? Yeah. Next. Okay. This concept name you can call transaction code list in MM0. Okay, material master. The remaining transaction codes will work out. Transaction codes. Transaction codes in MM. Under that under that MM01 I already covered, and MM60 also I covered last class, but I'll show once again. This is second T code MM60. What is the purpose of MM60? Why will you use?
Find out reports.
Okay, report. Okay, it is means like example. Just now I created one more material. Okay, last class I created another material. Before class I created one material. Like here, all the materials we have to cross check. Is it material is created or not, properly or not? Okay, to cross check in a report format and to download the data. Okay, to download the data. Okay, in Excel format or text format, we can use the this particular T code. Okay, T code MM60. Okay, MM60. MM60 is the transaction code. Don't enter any material number. Enter only plant name only. Okay, enter the only plant name only. Okay, enter the plant name. LGBN is the plant name. Okay, LGBN is the plant name. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. See now, 2, 3, 4, 6, 11. Okay, these are all the materials I created. Okay, these are all. One is finished material. Sorry, 2 are finished materials, and remaining 3 are raw materials. You can easily identify here 3000, 3000, 3000. All are raw materials. 7920 is nothing but a SS means that is a finished material. A finished material. Okay, this is the second report. Next, third one. Okay, third one. MM60. MM02 means material change or change material. Change material. Okay, MM02 change material. Like example, here testing I entered the testing okay name I have to change to some other material number, raw material steel I have to enter steel. Okay, raw material steel. Okay, raw material steel I have to enter. Okay, one new name I have to enter. To maintain this new name, okay, we cannot enter. Okay, we cannot enter the MM01. Okay, we cannot enter the MM01. Go to MM02. To change that material number, you have to remember, copy that material number. Which name you have to change it? Okay, go to MM02. Go to MM02. Enter the material number. Which name you want to change it? Which material number? Okay, same name. Enter the material number. Click on enter. Okay, click on enter. Basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, plant data storage 1, storage 2, accounting 1. Okay, accounting 1. Which one you want to change it? Only you can select that one, or otherwise all you can change it, whatever the data. I don't want all. I'll deselect all. I'll select only basic data only. I'm going to change it. This is like a deselect all, select all. This is deselect all. First I deselected all. Then I selected whatever I want. Okay, whatever I want. If I want to change only basic data and purchasing, if I want to change only basic data and purchasing, select the basic data. Here testing is there. I'll changing to raw steel. Okay, raw steel. Okay, raw steel. Okay, click on save. Okay, raw steel and click on save. Okay, raw steel and click on save. Save. So now it is updated. Okay, now it is updated. We'll see that change happened or not. Okay, we'll check the change. We'll go to material list. Go back. Go back. Enter only plant name. Enter only plant name. Okay, enter only plant name. Click on execute. Click on execute. See the difference here. When it is changed, today's date. Okay, today's date. Understood this point? What is meaning of MM02? What is meaning of MM02? Understood everyone?
Yes.
Next. Okay, next. Just only changes like okay, this particular like purchase group, if you want to change it, some description if you want to change the material group, or not only changes, even you can add the data also here. Example, I forgot to enter the lab, okay, lab name, LGBN, lab name I forgot to enter, lab name I already entered, some product name, something like some other data if I want to enter, okay, still some data if I want to add, okay, not only this line, even purchasing data also, okay, purchasing data also, I can add it here, this data, okay, I can add it here, some still, okay, almost all like we entered. Temperature conditions we did not enter, add here temperature conditions, okay, just maintain the temperature conditions, click on save, okay, click on save. This procedure you can call change material, okay, change material. Now it is changed material, we can see using MM03. MM03 is nothing but a display material. MM03 is nothing but a display material. Okay, MM03 is nothing but a display material. Just to go back, enter MM03, enter the material number, click on enter, click on enter. Basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, plant storage 1, storage 2, storage 3, accounting 1. Select all, okay, continue, okay, select all, continue. Continue, LGBN, just will display the data, that's it. Okay, just will display, okay, data, okay, display data. Okay, that is only you can call display material, okay, display material. Okay, next, okay, next, display material. Just we can check, that's it. Next, which is MM04, display changes. Display change material. Okay, display change material. Display changes material. Just now I changed this one in MM02. How to check which data is checked? We'll see here. Go to MM04, enter, enter the material number. Okay, enter the material number. Okay, enter the material number and plant name. Okay, plant name. Click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. You see here, latest T code is MM02. This is only now. Double click on this. Okay, you have to double click because changes, whatever changes is the latest changes, it will appear here. Okay, double click on this. You see here now. Okay. Old material, I changed to new value. There was no old value. Okay, there was no old value. Okay, new value I maintain Temperature conditions, there was no value, new value is maintained. Okay, new value is maintained. Like that, another MM02 also there. Old value is not there, English I maintained. By default it has come. Testing was there, raw steel is there. Okay, okay, raw steel. Any doubt now? MM0, what is the code? MM04. Okay, MM04. Okay, MM04. Okay, MM04. Next. Bhavya, clear this point? Manjunath, Sudarshan.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Okay. We have another transaction course are there. If you want to continue, I'll continue. Okay, because maximum MM06 is there, MMARV is there, MMPV is there. Okay, like that we have another 4-5 T codes are there. Okay, I'll cover those T codes also if you want. Otherwise, I'll continue tomorrow with this one under latest concept. Okay, can I explain MM06? How you want?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right on. MM02 is over, MM01 is 4. Okay, or over. MM06 means MM06 means deletion flag. Example, now you don't want this material. MM06. Okay, MM06. So that we can call deletion flag. Deletion flag for material. Okay, deletion flag for material. Okay, deletion flag for material. Okay, how to maintain? Go to MM06. Go to MM06. Go to MM06. Same material I am using. Same material I am using. Flag for deletion. Flag material for deletion. Okay, flag material for deletion. Enter the material number on plant. Enter the material number on plant. Click on enter. Select the flag for deletion. Select the flag for deletion. Flag means checkbox. Checkbox. Now from today onwards, this material it won't work. Today onwards, this material it won't work. Save. How will come to know it is not working? Copy this material. Copy this material. We'll check with another testing. Something like ME01. ME01, nothing but a source list. Okay, ME01. Okay, nothing but a source list. Enter ME01. Okay, ME01. Material and plant, both you can enter. Now if I click enter here, let's see the difference. What happened? It won't allow to create source list here. Don't allow to create source list. It will show, okay, material is flagged for deletion. Everyone understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood this point here now. Now I need this material. If I want this material, what I have to do? You have to deselect the checkbox. Manjunath, understood this point? Here now it is flagged, but I'll remove that flag here under same flag, same MM06 only. Enter. Just I'll remove the flag. I'll maintain save option. Okay, save option. See the difference? I'll retest here this one only. Check now. Okay, I have to cancel first. Sorry. Then go to ME01. Enter. Is it allowing? Allowed here? Before we got error. Now it is removed. Okay, it is removed. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Anybody? Yeah. I think today this is enough. I think for practice, and tomorrow this remaining all okay options, sir, that I will discuss. I think she left. What happened? Okay, practice this one. Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Manjunath, Sudarshan.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.